Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get your money from Testerup. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to get your money from Testerup, what you need to do is reach the minimum requirements, which is reaching a minimum account balance of US $70 or equivalent before you can request a payout, and each payout request is capped at $250. And once that's done, what you need to do is head over and open up a Testerup app and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once logged in, on your dashboard, go to the payment tab or payout tab. This will let you know when you hit the minimum. Then if this is your first withdrawal, complete the face verification or selfie process, only needed once, and then sign into your PayPal account and link to the Testerup. Only PayPal is supported to the Testerup and you must use the same PayPal account for any payouts. Then lastly, what you need to do is enter the amount you like to withdraw, which must be between $70 and $250. Then lastly, tap on submit for the request of payout. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.